probably wondering why I'm so smart. Well, it's not just me. It's Riki. We've come for the 7 curries at Food Factory. Come and join us. It's going to be epic. So we finally arrived and look at how she turned out. Awesome. All those shiny shoes, I forgot to shine them. But, the Armani. Cool, man.
This is a rangoli for Diwali, like Brian made last year.
Yes, I actually made one of these, rangoli.
Rangoli, oh, you guys made it.
So she made the rangoli to bring Lakshmi in.
Yes.
This will bring Lakshmi and good luck. I'm just going to say ginger and pineapple.
And tamarind. And it's called panakot.
Are you recording?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, she's been recording the whole time, but I think it's called panakot and it's a traditional drink for Diwali. And it's got ginger in it, so it's healthy. I mean, it's got
tamarind.
ginger in it, so it should be healthy. Oh, that's actually really nice. And lemon, there's lemon. My mouth's watering. They're working really hard behind the scenes here. That looks like it's the 7 curries, and someone's doing tea puri. I think they're called tea puri. Oh wow, look at this. It actually comes on the banana leaf. The tray gets taken away. Oh man.
I'm glad you stabilized the table now.
Yes. On with the rice perfectly, and then we get some tea puri. Are these called tea puri?
Tea puri.
Tea puri. First up with the bean, and then other stuff. Oh, that's the chili. Banana. And then over to the next side. The tomato thing. Pumpkin. The bread. And shushu. And there, that's how it's assembled. That's simply. The only difference between what they're doing there and at a wedding is that at a wedding they'll do it in front of you. They actually mix it all together. The guys come around with loads of pots and then they splash in front of you. But yeah, it's a lot easier for them, I reckon. And this one's mine. Wow, how can someone eat so much food?
I don't know.
Oh, it's a wedding. You've got to be full at a wedding. Thank you so much. Yes, he said exactly.
No, don't worry about the mess.
Okay, so he has confirmed we're allowed to make a mess, everyone. I'm sure Riki won't, but you know me.
No, I can't.
What are you doing there?
I'm building a boat for the mess.
You're pleating your paper.
I'm an expert pleater now.
Yes, because she's got a saree on. You're holding it there. Now bring that piece over under your pinky. Yes, there you go. Now back to your thumb. Grab with your thumb. Back to your pinky.
I don't know how you get just the tip of your pinky.
There we go.
I'll just pleat it.
Okay, so we're going to just go with a proper pleat. There we go. Almost perfect. And guys, this is our new YouTube channel, How to Put On Saris. I see pleats.
Is it all sort
I
of...
definitely see pleats.
Make it look pretty.
Drone footage. Look at all this stuff. Oh man. Tea puri. These are some sort of beans, rice.
Banana, red chutney, shushu, pumpkin.
Is this not some sort of bread?
Could be, yeah, could be a bread.
This looks so good. Look at Ricky's rice all formed and everything. And look at the happy Rick. She'll show us how you eat it traditionally. Are you ready?
No, you have to do this first.
Yeah. Oh, you're going to tuck your sock. Is that what you do? Okay, here we go. You take a little something.
Banana,
Dip it in another little something.
into some pumpkin, into some rice.
And then mess it all over your saree. Is that good? What was that?
Banana.
That's the banana. Okay, so banana confirmed.
And then I think,
You're going to try a little tea puri.
oh, they're hot. And scoop up some of the sauce.
Is that like a bread or something?
I think so. I'm just hoping it doesn't have chili.
Is it a bread? It's nice. So this is confirmed bread,
Yeah, green stuff.
green stuff. What's that red? That looks like chili, doesn't it? Or is it
I
tomato?
think those are some chilies and probably a soy because everything is vegetarian.
Oh, this is fully vegetarian.
Vegan.
Vegan, in fact.
These are wonderful.
So the bread is great.
The tipuri.
The tipuri, that's bread.
The tipuri dipped in
This
the
is
bread.
a tipuri.
Let me try some sushi.
Some shushu on the tipuri. Okay, so everything is good so far.
Also good.
What's that? Maybe that's pudding.
I think it looks sweet.
No, that's like the pudding maybe. No, wait. Not sweet. It's sweet. But you don't know what it is? Some
I
sort
don't know
of
what it
jelly or
is.
something.
No, it's like a jam.
Okay. It's a jam. So maybe you're supposed to eat that last, or maybe you just mix it all in.
You mix.
It all looks great.
That looks like a chutney with some serious chili.
That's the chili. This is just a normal chutney.
Yeah, but that stuff is really nice. It's like a tamarind with a fruit. But I'm not sure what fruit.
I think it's fig.
Maybe. I don't think we get figs.
We don't get figs.
No.
But I really want to get stuck. I want to try the chili first. And there's a special technique.
Use your food hand as a shovel. Traditional 7 curries. This is what it looks like. Yeah, this is traditionally served at a wedding.
That's why we dressed up. We're going to a wedding.
Yeah. When you've got this tamarind sauce, the black sauce, you do need to watch out for little tamarind pips. I was kind of figuring like you like grab your rice and sort of put it somewhere and then you, I don't know if this is correct or not, so
Mix it all together and shovel it in.
make a kind of a thing and
There we go. Okay, so what I'm about to do is make a 7 curries taco. Taco. A little bit of banana. I'm going to put some of the achar because I do like that. And because it's a taco, there's going to be some chili. A little bit of the red. That's the salsa roja. A bit of pumpkin. A little bit of green. Salsa verde. Verde. A little bit of shushu. A bean on top. Because it's Mexican. Taco Thursdays at 7 curries.
7 curry Thursdays. Chili.
I don't know how that chili found me. When you're making a taco out of 7 curries, the chili gods are coming for you. The tacos are supposed to be eaten.
Payback. Which is your favorite?
I really like the banana, but I have to say it's like the combination where you get a little bit of the bread, some of the red, some of the achar, some of the other stuff. When you actually get a decent scoop.
A mix of each.
A mix.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be everything, but it can be a little bit of this. Like
My fingers are not that big.
Okay. I like a little bit of everything.
Yeah, I think my favorite is the bread. The like spinachiness of that is really, really cool. And the banana and the bean. And actually this tomato is quite cool with the coriander. And the pumpkin's cool. Actually, my least favorite is probably shushu. I'm not a huge fan of shushu. I'm guessing the ambience.
Okay. Don't mind if I eat.
Carry on. Look, my brilliant engineering is holding back the mess.
The dam is coming. Well, anyway, when you get to the end, I really can't eat anymore. You fold it up. So there you go.
Done, no dishes. That's why it's wedding food.
and then have a look there. They always have these where you can wash your hands.
Very useful. I really don't eat a lot. It's like there's no way I can fold my paper up. I feel so bad, but I really don't eat a lot.
Don't know why she's washing her hands. She hardly ate anything. Even though you should come for the 7 curries, if one of your party doesn't want to, they still make the regular things like their pizzas. And even though I was allowed to make a mess, I hardly did at all. Just a few grains of rice. Riki couldn't even manage that. Okay, a top tip. Seriously, get here early. It fills up. Get a booking. Make sure you have your table. It packs. It packs. It gets full.
Well, everybody, she looks like stunning.
Well, she might not be the bride, but she's pretty as a picture. I kid you not, get here early. The place really does fill up. But I love this whole new back area. They've fixed it up since we were last here. Is there a fire pit? There's actually a fire in there. They probably cooked something. Definitely cooked something there. But I love how they've done this whole back area now. The bicycle, I don't know if you guys can see it because of the light. But the pizza. Oh man.
Gonna have to get a selfie with that.
We're doing selfies. And on to video. How awesome is this pizza? It's an actual pizza. They really just stuck it on the wall with knives, as you can see. No, it's just a painting, everyone. It's just a painting. Of course it is.
It's really cool out back.
I genuinely can picture sitting here around the fire and just sitting on one of these pallets. It's an actual pallet chair because you can actually tell from the actual pallet being used on it, and sitting out here and just enjoying a fire. Did you notice?
Yes.
It's a thing where you can do your Instagram for Food Factory.
Or a thumbnail.
Or a thumbnail. You can probably do a thumbnail for Riki, and look at this. She has her bag there.
Yeah, I need to figure out a way to fold and pleat and pin a pocket.
So she's going to work on
There
that.
must be a way to put a pocket into a sari.
If anyone figures that out, please let them know. Please let Riki know, or she will invent it and put it on YouTube and we'll get 1 billion views. We'll watch Riki be confused for a little bit. Here we go again.
Right, rewind. So once we got to the end...
You got the loop. That's the loop. That's the important loop, everyone. She got the loop.
Yeah, that's not supposed to end like
Oh, wow. 7 curries at the Food Factory. It's an event. Thank you so much for inviting us. And the food is so great. Well, anyway, guys, you've seen the video. So, from us, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.